So the question has three parts A, B, and C. So first part is list the parts of the human eye that control the amount of light entering into it and explain how they perform this function. Second part is write the function of retina in human eye. And the third part is do you know that corneal impairment can be cured by replacing the defective cornea with the cornea of the donated eye? And how and why should we organize groups to motivate the community members to donate their eyes after death? Okay, so now let's move on to the solution. Okay, so solution the first part. So iris and pupil are the two parts in the human eye that controls the amount of light entering to the human eye. Okay, so basically iris automatically adjusts the pupil according to the intensity of the light received by our eye. Okay. So if the amount of light received by the eyes is large, like during the daytime, then iris contracts the pupil and makes it small and reduces the amount of light entering to our eyes. On the other hand, if the amount of light received by the eye is small, like in the dark room or during night, sorry. So in that case, iris expands the size of the pupil and enable it to capture more light so that we can see clearly even in the night time. Okay. So thus the iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye by changing the size of the pupil. Okay. So now second part. So retina acts as a screen on which the image is formed in the eye. Yes, retina acts just similar as the screen in the theaters, like a screen where the projector projects the movie. So same is the retina. Retina has large number of light sensitive cells. So when light falls on the retina, then these light sensitive cells get activated and generate electrical signals. Okay. So now third part. So the answer of the third part is yes. Corneal impairment can be cured by replacing the defective cornea with some others person's cornea. Okay, so there is a need for awareness among various communities about eye donation after death. Yes, one can donate his or her eye even after death, as it will help a person suffering from an eye ailment to get the treatment. So we can take some steps to organize groups to motivate them to donate eyes after death. So first is the person who is taking the initiative can communicate with people, and after realizing people who are like minded should gather them and form an awareness group. Second step we can take is the group should then approach various communities and organizations in their areas and promote their campaign. Third is they can also approach various hospitals and clinics to promote the campaign. So, thank you.